All right. We are back. St. George, Utah. St. George Electric Fest 2018. And we have Wade Joes and Burger de la Pena. And we're about to maiden Wade's beautiful B-25 Mitchell. Hey Wade, what model is this?
It's a Ziroli.
Well, oh, it's Ziroli, okay.
B-25, 101.
101 inch. Okay. What's she weighing in at?
32 with batteries.
Okay. Because inquiring minds will want to know. And hard to believe, but Wade says he's still working on this. He still has some details he wants to add to it. So, but this will be the maiden flight.
Taking off right to left.
That silver's hard to see.
Yeah, I did pull it off right at the end, but it was very light already on.
All right, this is again. This is a 101 inch wingspan. Ziroli, Nick Ziroli, B-25 Mitchell.
Go with the left-hand pattern.
I'm gonna. Just trying to. I'm running out of aileron. Is my concern.
Oh.
I'm totally out of aileron.
Can you come back?
Yeah. Try it.
Okay.
Okay. Coming at it?
Yeah, we're coming at it.
Oh boy.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Yeah. It's hard to pick up.
Sure is.
That's full throttle, and I feel very weak.
Yeah.
You're sputtering, you gotta land.
I know. I had no motors. I don't know what happened there.
I had no power. I heard it going.
It had a lot of power.
Battery dump.
No, it was pulsating.
I know. You see,
Heard
well,
it.
it finally stalled, is what it did.
Yeah, there were 6,000.
Yeah. I think it. I mean, I was full throttle trying to hold it.
I knew when you weren't coming back fast.
Yeah. Yeah, I know.
All right, well, we'll walk out.
100% either.
Yeah.
We'll walk out and see what the.
What happened?
We're back. The site is right here. Okay. Well, this is heartbreaking and heart-wrenching to see, but here's the wreckage of the plane, the wings, and the rest of the plane. So, as we pick up the pieces.
Yeah, I got 2 batteries and the receiver. I don't know what it did. It was stuttering like it not sync.
When you turn back,
Yeah, I cut throttle and brought it back in case it was LVC. But it was just so slow at that point in time. It just eventually stalled, and it stalled really hard. It dropped the left wing.
Yeah.
Wouldn't power back up, huh?
I tried,
Yeah.
but if it did, it was too late.
I can see the motor start to spool up and spin back down.
I think it's like the
Yeah,
battery.
once I heard it too, I heard it. At first I didn't hear it, and I was just trading off at full speed,
Yeah.
full throttle, nothing was happening.
It'd be interesting to check, see
Check
what,
the packs
what
where
they're
they're
doing. Yeah.
How many batteries do we have?
I got one.
I got 2.
There should be total 4.
Yeah, and a receiver pack. So we're missing 1 flight pack still? Could be in there? Is that in here?
Okay, so we're missing one more.
1
pack.
flight pack, yeah. It was the one that was taped in, of course. Alright, give it here.
That was fun.
Oh yeah. We've all had that kind of fun. Yeah, it's always fun. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
All fresh battery. Yeah, I heard it. That's why I walked out. It sounded like the happy
Well,
Yeah, I don't know about you, but it gets out there, Wade. I can't even see the damn thing.
Glad your eyesight's better than mine because I couldn't see it.
Yeah, I saw it, but then I lost it, and then
Well, I saw him when
Yeah.
it turned out around, and I'm like, why is it coming back so slow?
yeah, it was. It was real slow.
It just didn't have no
Yeah.
power. It just everything dropped out.
Oh,
Not too soon for that?